Christian Grobe, Funding Circle. You're at the Tech, Digital and Innovation meeting conference today. What do you think the main challenges will be for Europe's digital high-tech sector following Brexit?
Yeah, we are talking about that the whole day, and I think it's basically, from our perspective, three challenges that are upcoming. The first question is on talent pool. So what does it really mean from all the labor force usually migrating freely throughout Europe? And when you're a tech startup, it's very important to get tech people from all across Europe. And if they don't easily then float into London, that will be a big challenge for the startup scene there that needs to be managed in a way. The second one is really on institutional investors and equity investors. So there's a lot of capital floating into the scene as we were seeing over the last years, and we need to make sure that this doesn't come to a halt.
Do you have any specific examples of where investors have said, we are worried about this and we are not ready to invest quite yet?
Luckily, not too many, but I've recently talked to one fund manager who's trying to raise a fund for P2P investments, and he said that it was difficult to convince the people who wanted to give money for his fund to also invest that fund into British P2P loans, because there's a little bit of regulatory uncertainty. But I mean, speaking as one of the biggest platforms in Europe and in the world as Funding Circle is, we at the moment don't see a very negative impact on our institutional investor base, and we think we have enough interesting opportunities for institutional investors to cope with that kind of challenge.
Brexit, we're not quite sure what it means yet. What would you like it to mean?
As few Brexit as is possible, so probably we will be able to keep up the single market union and also the free movement of labor, and then it's just Brexit on the outside but European Union on the inside. I think that would be most preferable.